to the lecturer and all our fellow friends. We are going to present the proposal of agrofertilizers and durian per hat. And my name is Chai Gongwa, and I will present with my team member, which are Wong Kiu Wei, Cheng Yong Ching, and Chomani. Next, I will present about the company description. Agrofertilizers and Durian Berhad is a company which is mainly focused on manufacturing foliar fertilizer, which is more safe and environmental safety compared to chemical fertilizer. The vision and mission for our company is to achieve excellent innovation and performance in a sustainable manner. The mission is to drive sustainability throughout the global automatic supply chain by integrating sustainability in the overall production process. Next, I will pass to the company structure. Germany is managing director, and there are 5 main departments for the company, which are human resources, finance, marketing, procurement, and production. Next, I will pass to my team member to continue the presentation.
Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Chomani and I will present about the project description part. So basically the purpose of the project is to raise the awareness of the environmental issue, increase the health benefit toward the environment and consumer by innovating new types of fertilizer to be used in agriculture sectors. So basically the purpose itself is actually aligned with our mission and vision that presented by my teammate just now. And our main goal for this entire project is to become the leading supplier of foliar seaweed fertilizer nationwide. And basically, why is this project being proposed? There's 2 main reasons. So first thing is to reduce the usage of chemical fertilizer, because if have excessive using of chemical fertilizer, it will definitely affect the health and the nutrient itself of the plants or vegetables that are consumed by our consumer. And the second thing is to tackle the issue of global warming that generated by usage of fertilizer. So for your information, if excessive using the chemical fertilizer, it actually will cause the increased emission of nitrogen oxide, and which is the main reason that increase the global warming in our earth. That's why this project is being proposed to actually tackle this main 2 reasons. And the benefit of the project to Langkawi Development Authority is actually the first one will be low costing with high revenue. So basically to produce the foliar fertilizer is actually using lower cost compared to produce the chemical fertilizer. And it actually more effective than using the chemical fertilizer because it can increase the production rate by using the foliar fertilizer, which is more sustainable and more organic. And the second one is actually develop the agriculture industry. So for your information, the population of Malaysia is increasing times by times, which actually will require a higher food production rate. That's why using our foliar fertilizer, it actually can generate more production of food and also in a very quality way. That's why this is the benefit of the product of this project to Langkawi Development Authority. And this is all for my part, and I will pass to my teammate.
And I will continue present the work plan. The work breakdown structure is created for the project and divided into 5 main parts, which are planning, research development, financial, marketing, and production. Each of the tasks has the certain duration and precedent relationship in order to complete the project. The total time required for implementation of the project is 120 days, which is 3 months. And I will pass to Yongqing to present the project site.
Hi everyone, my name is Cheng Yong-Ching. So I will present about the project site. So the location for the project is located between Pantai Kok and Pantai Senang of Langkawi. The reason why to choose this place is because it is nearly with Langkawi International Airport Kedah, and it can support our project resources in delivering. Furthermore, the place is big and peace quiet place. There are often high-end luxury resorts such as the Sheraton and Tanjung Sanctuary rule the beach alongside Pantai Kok. So the tourists can visit the place to get to know more about the foliar fertilizer implementation, and the place will become a new visitor place for tourism. it is very suitable and relaxed place to build out the project there. Next, I will pass my part to another person.
It's okay, you can continue.
Sorry. Okay, for the human resource, we have six people involved in this project. So for the first one, the project, construction manager, the responsibility for the project construction manager is to follow up the project progress, control and reporting it to the director. The position is considered as a head of the project as others than the director. So the second one is the estimator. It is estimating each stage of the cost for the material, equipment, and others costs which related to the project. So the third one is architect, which is in charge about the blueprint for the project and follow up the work with the construction manager. So the fourth one is the construction worker is to make sure the project plan go well with the plan. So five is the quality control manager, which have to confirm each stage of material are fulfill the requirement of the project. So the last one is for biological engineer is have to find a way out to turn the seaweed into the successful foliar fertilizer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hey, hi, I'm QA. Now I will analyze this project budget. First, we have divided the project budget in four categories, which is capital, sales, production cost, and expenses budget. Okay, from the table, we can see the capital budget is 500,000 ringgit, and this is include the owner and other investor invest in, and the loan from bank. Next is sales. We assume that we can sell 1 million units for foliar fertilizer, and lastly, we can get 35 million ringgit in our revenue. Furthermore, the production cost is 2 million something, and it include the material cost, which is seaweed, labor cost, and distribution cost. Other than production cost budget, we have added the expenses budget in this project also. While the expenses budget is include other costs that not relate in produce civic foliar fertilizer such as management, employee salary, welfare, rental fee, and so on. And the total expenses for the years is 512,000 ringgit. And last but not least, we forecast the amount that our income for the years, which will gain 32 million ringgit something. And that's all from the budgeting part.
Okay, that's all for our presentation, and thank you everyone. So bye bye.